When I'm talking about paint correction or buffing or polishing, I'm talking about the process of removing scratches and swirls and water spots and other defects on the paint, correcting the paint to make it look nice and bright and clear and like you can almost reach into it. This side I've done and this side I haven't done. So I'm going to show you the difference. And keep in mind there's no wax or anything on this yet. So once I put the wax on it, it will really brighten up and be really super glossy. But I'm going to show you the difference in not buffed and buffed so you can see it for yourself. What you're going to look for is see how you can see this reflection of light here? You want to look like all around that light because that will show you where the scratches are. You'll be able to see the defects better by looking at exactly around that light reflection. So let me show you that. This is buffed. There's still obviously a few little more marks because I just kind of hit it real quick. But that's not buffed. You see the swirls, scratches, there's water spots right here. A lot of this is dust, but you can see the swirls, which is mainly from taking a towel and wiping on it, or from car washes. But this is what it looks like after it's buffed. You can see it's a clear difference. I'm not sure how old this truck is, but I'm guessing, I don't know, maybe 10 years or so, 5 to 10 years. So it's got some weathered paint on it, obviously. We're only doing a 1-step on this one. If I was to do a 2-step, this panel you're seeing here would be absolutely perfect. This would look like a mirror, 100%. So that's the difference. When I say paint correction, when I say buff, when I say polish, this is what we're talking about.